Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you see, I am on the website of workeasysoftware.com and I'm on now its login page of Work Easy Software. Firstly, I want to talk about the sorry, Work Easy Software. So, in a world where efficiency and innovations are paramount, easy workforce emerges as a trailblazer in the realm of workforce management with a revamped logo, fresh visual identity, and visionary approach. The company is proposed to redefine the way organizations navigate the complexities of human resource management and easy workforce new logo symbolizes the evolution of the brand. As you see, the sleek and modern designs reflects the company's commitment to staying ahead of the curve, and the choice of colors and shapes embodies the dynamic nature of workforce, um, highlighting adaptability and seamless integration with the ever-changing business landscape. And the updated visual identity extends beyond the logo, permeating every aspect of easy workforce communication from website design to marketing materials. The cohesive visual elements convey a sense of professionalism, reliability, and forward thinking. So, let's talk about the key features of Easy Workforce. It introduces a user-friendly interface that simplifies navigation and ensures a seamless experience for both administrators and employees. Unlock the power of data with robust analytic tools. Easy Workforce enables organizations to make informed decisions by providing in-depth insights into workforce performance, traits, and potential areas for improvement. And another thing is that foster a positive work culture with features designed to boost employee engagement, from performance feedback to recognition programs. Easy Workforce puts the spotlight on creating a thriving workplace. So, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and share for more videos. Thanks.